Welcome to our video showing how to remove and replace a sash on our inward opening windows. Open the window to 90 degrees. With a flat-headed screwdriver, release the catch on the top of the sash. Press the black button in the centre of the sash close to the handle and lift the handle upright into the tilt position. While supporting the weight of the sash, disengage the hinge from the top of the sash and move it towards the frame. Continue to support the weight of the sash and close the window, tilting it back slightly. You will be able to lift the sash from the frame. Avoid tilting too far, otherwise you risk damaging the hinges. To reverse the process, bring the sash back into the frame, locating it on the pin in the bottom of the frame. Bring the hinge back on top of the sash, locating it as shown. Twist the catch back into the sash. Press the black button and bring the handle down to 90 degrees. The sash is now fixed back into the frame. To recap, this is the procedure shown in full. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it useful. If you need any further assistance, please get in touch.